Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you an underground conduit run that we're working on. There's three 4-inch Schedule 80 PVC conduits with large sweeping 90s ran in this ditch. So there's a couple things that I want to talk about excavations, and I don't have a lot of time, so we'll make this quick. When you're excavating this deep, we are approximately 8 foot deep right here. When you're excavating this deep, you need to make sure that you are doing what's called benching, and that right there is a bench. And that benching, if your ditch is 5 foot deep, you need to bench down 1 foot. So each side, these benches right here, cannot be more than 4 foot. So every time you hit 5 feet, you need a bench. So in a 9 foot hole, you need 2 benches with a foot left over on the top side. So the benches also need to be equal portion with the width of your ditch, up to 24 inches. And yeah, you need to see that ladder there. You need to make sure that you've got a ladder within 25 feet of all directions of your ditch. So that ladder is center of our ditch, so we're covered. So that's just a quick rundown of safe excavations and some underground conduit. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos. And soon I'm gonna make a video on how to build a ladder out of 2x4s, because we built that ladder. Hope y'all enjoy this and have a great day.